Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have a look at the palette that will be in the July BoxyCharm box. Now this is the standard $21 subscription box. So we already know that there will be one of these two masks in your box, which is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask or the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Mask. And then he made mention of a palette that will be in the box, which we now have. And there is also going to be an LMS product in the box. We don't know the exact product, what that's going to be yet, but as soon as I know, I will update you guys. So let's take a look at this palette. It's the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. Now this palette is going to be exclusive for BoxyCharm, and I will show you Joe's post right here. It shows them swatching the palette and everything. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So here's the post.
This is our Butter London palette, exclusive for BoxyCharm, coming in next month. Let me go.
And that was it, guys. So tell me, comment below what you think of the palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to see everybody using this palette. So go ahead and comment below what you guys think. Do you like the palette? And also, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.